Before understanding greenhouse effect, let us understand, what is a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a structure, used for growing plants, in regulated climatic conditions. The glass or transparent walls of the greenhouse conserves the energy inside, and shield the plants from extreme climatic conditions outside. The transparent walls of the greenhouse allows short-wave radiation from the sun to enter easily than long-wave radiation, making the air inside the greenhouse much warmer. Now, greenhouse effect is a concept given by Swedish scientist Svante Arrhenius in 1896. He detected the greenhouse effect of certain atmospheric gases while researching the extent to which increases in atmospheric carbon dioxide will increase Earth's surface temperature. Similar to the greenhouse effect is maintained by the Earth's atmosphere. After being heated by the sun, the Earth emits heat in long-wave radiation. This heat is trapped by certain atmospheric gases. These are known as greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases absorb long-wave radiation from the Earth's surface, thus, keeping the Earth warmer than it would be without greenhouse effect. Now, how greenhouse and greenhouse effect is different. Both greenhouse and the greenhouse effect operates in somewhat similar manner. The greenhouse heats by retaining energy inside the structure. Of course, no such structure exists in the real atmosphere. In the real atmosphere, greenhouse gases absorbs long-wave radiation emitted from Earth's surface, and our atmosphere hinder its transmission from Earth's surface to space. What will happen if there is no greenhouse effect? Greenhouse gases are important for keeping our planet at a suitable temperature for life. Without the natural greenhouse effect, the heat emitted by the Earth would simply pass outwards from the Earth's surface into space. According to scientists, the average temperature of Earth would drop from 14 degrees Celsius to as low as -18 degrees Celsius without the greenhouse effect. So, to summarize, greenhouse effect is maintained by certain gases, like carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrous oxide, and carbon monoxide, present in Earth's atmosphere. These greenhouse gases absorbs long-wave radiation emitted from Earth's surface. Our atmosphere hinder its transmission from Earth's surface to space. Greenhouse gases are important for keeping our planet at a suitable temperature for life.